Transfer factors are immunotherapy agents with demonstrated ability to improve immunological response in cancer patients. They are an attractive option to complement chemotherapy to strengthen the immune system after disturbances following chemotherapy side effects. The last chapter of the part 4 talks about immune-modulating peptides. Immune-modulating peptides are specific inhibitors to protein interactions and modulators of protein-modulated immune system signaling. They have been studied for more than half a century, and their effects are based on reinstating immune balance without causing global immune suppression or overactivation. Studies have shown the long-term therapeutic effect of immune-modulating peptides in rheumatoid arthritis patients, with results showing that 34.3% reported good outcomes, 37.1% reported very good outcomes, and continued treatment with non-steroid products and immune-modulating peptides. Another 28.6% of patients reported excellent results and were able to withdraw non-steroid therapy. Transfer factors are a unique type of messengers used for cell-to-cell communication in the immune system. Transfer factors are composed of small peptides with a molecular weight of 3.5 to 6 kilodalton, to which oligoribonucleotides are attached. They are like a link between interleukins and antibodies and able to perform functions of both. They can carry messages from cell to cell, like interleukins, and can bind to antigens like antibodies. Studies over the past half-century have determined that transfer factors are a complex group of more than 200 proteins of low molecular weight. However, their precise molecular structure and mechanism of action have not been fully elucidated. Typically, transfer factors are short-chain amino acids with a tiny quantity of RNA created by the CD4 plus cells, the T helpers. Transfer factors help facilitate action and create new generations of T helpers, cytotoxic T cells, macrophages, and NK cells by attaching to antigens on affected cells, tagging them, and attracting immune cells to perform the destruction of the antigen. Essentially, transfer factors are the subcellular units of immunological memory, since they carry features of immunoglobulins, interferons, and interleukins. Transfer factors have important immune modulatory ability by supporting immune cell maturation and differentiation, thereby restoring peripheral lymphocyte function, recovering humoral immunity via B lymphocytes differentiation, developing plasmacytes, synthesizing specific humoral antibodies, activating T lymphocytes and lymphokin production, and increasing the activity of mononuclear phagocytic system. This can lower hyperactive immunity to normal levels and stimulate insufficient immune responses. Transfer factors contain the following constituents: antigen-specific inducer, suppressor, and non-specific adjuvant-like components. Transfer factors are immunotherapy agents with demonstrated ability to improve immunological response in cancer patients. They are an attractive option to complement chemotherapy to strengthen the immune system after disturbances following chemotherapy side effects. The main benefit of transfer factor therapy as an immunotherapeutic agent is the possibility to stimulate a rapid immune reaction against the pathogen within 24 hours and reduce time for the patient's immune responses to 9 to 13 days. Multiple studies have shown that trans effectors improve clinical and immunological responses, symptoms, and lymphocytic number. Early experimental studies conducted at the Institute of Biochemical Sciences in Tampere and the Institute of Rheumatology in London established that the transfer factor therapy is also dose-dependent. According to their data, the response relationship revealed bell-shaped curves with a narrow range of optimal augmentin dose. This confirms the result of clinical observations, by the way. Short courses of transfer factor therapy have an almost immediate immunostimulatory effect, while prolonged administration of relatively high doses causes a remarkable immunomodulatory effect and used in the management of autoimmune diseases.